I'm starting with the end of this video first. Damn, that ahi sandwich is delicious. It's a recipe from a retro 1990s menu at Chili's Grill&Bar and one of my favorites. What's all this garlic for? It's the first of the 4 steps I show you. Roasted garlic aioli. Roast the garlic cloves in a foil pouch at 45 minutes, 425 degrees or until smashable. Add this to the food processor, or you can smash it by hand and whisk if you pick. That's pepper, salt, sugar, and rice vinegar. It's happy and ready to blend. Can you see with a quick blend it looks like a mayonnaise base, but just the garlic and vinegar blended. Awesome. Set it aside. Starting on the Gulf spice blend. Granulated garlic, onion powder, cayenne, paprika, ground rosemary, and ground oregano. See the full recipe with all ingredients and amounts in the description below. Can't see them? If you're watching on your TV, switch to your computer or your mobile device, and you can see the recipe on that platform. Preparing the tomatoes and iceberg next. Dine with Devin. You are talented and can make this better than me. Comment below to let me know how you now for the sake of making this video short. Tomatoes, wash and slice. You decide how big a slab you want or thin slice and make it your way. Shred some iceberg. The shreds add a nice texture while leaf lettuce can get it warm and soggy, so go for the shred. Pepperjack cheese. You can pick a Jack, Sharp White, or Colby. But hey, say no to the American cheese. As you know, I love Tillamook. 2 potato buns, and here is 6 ounces of ahi tuna steaks. Dredge them in the Gulf spice well. Coat them again and again until you see no more pink on the meat. Then, with a pan preheated on a medium-low heat, add some oil and the ahi. How to make the best ahi sandwich copycat recipe from Chili's Grill&Bar? It's the best. Removed from their menu back in the early 2000s but not forgotten. I'm showing you how to recreate it and make it easily. The Gulf spice blend is authentic Chili's recipe. Shamelessly ask you for a like on this video. Subscribe and comment below how you'll improve the sandwich and what you want to see me make next. Now the buns. When you put them in, press them down gently for a few seconds to create that bond between the bun and the pan. This will ensure a nice even toast on the bun. See that golden brown is perfect. Remove the buns and set aside while the ahi finishes. Turn the ahi. It's still very rare at this time. Let it cook a few more minutes. I have the oven preheated to 425 degrees. Move the pan into the oven and cook to your desired doneness, as rare or as well as you would like. While the ahi is finishing, build the sandwiches. Starting with the bottom bun, add the aioli. Be generous and spread it coast to coast. This is the beginning layer of flavor, and you want every ingredient to be in every bite. The gentle flavor of the creamy roasted garlic makes a perfect complement to the other crunchy, acidic, and spicy flavors. Next, get the shredded lettuce. I like to form a slightly tight ball with the shredded lettuce. It'll pile up onto the bun better and hold together somewhat. Add the tomato slices. These medium-large tomatoes require 2 slices each to cover every bite of the sandwich. Add more or less the tomato based on your tomato sizes and your likes. I'm pulling the ahi out while it's about medium rare. I'm adding 2 slices of cheese to each ahi steak and return it to the oven for a few minutes, just long enough to soften the cheese, not going for a full melt on the cheese. Now to finish the sandwiches. Move the ahi to the built sandwich bun. These are looking good, if I must say so myself. We have grilled potato buns with our homemade garlic aioli, shredded lettuce, thick tomato slices. The ahi seasoned well with the Gulf spice. Tillamook pepperjack cheese slightly melted on top. The ahi has a nice meaty flavor, and the crust has flavors of gentle rosemary and oregano with a little heat from the cayenne. It's one of my favorite specialty sandwiches. Now all that's left is just try what I finished. Cutting one in half because they're just so large. Here it goes. Wow. Oh, it is amazing. Yes. Hey, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video.